Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1975 Triumph Tr6 Convertible. It's finished in its original colors of Mimosa yellow with chestnut brown interior, matching chestnut brown top boot, and a black soft top. 4-speed, disc wheels. Excellent, super well-preserved California car, showing 73,000 original miles. Super good car we've got here. Just blew me away when it came in. Just the preserved quality of this car, as far as panel gapping, condition of the cosmetics, mechanical condition. This one is just super TR6. Original chrome in excellent order, one repaint, new interior, but just a super well-preserved California stunner in these good period colors. So yeah, we purchased this car up in the Central Coast, just above Santa Barbara, and when it arrived here, I was just kind of in shock how well preserved and beautiful this car is. Great paint on a perfect body with zero fit issues. Just perfect gaps. I mean, someone really took care of this car from day one. And when it had a cosmetic restoration, they really knew what they were doing, because everything's just fitting beautifully. The paint's applied properly. If you look at the undercarriage of this car, it's just beautifully well preserved. You can tell it's a garaged California car. Brand new tires, beautifully restored wheel set. Just ball bearing, textbook perfect factory panel gapping all the way around. Just a stunner of a TR6 in super well preserved condition. This is the original chrome on the bumpers, as you can see here. Just it's like a 9 out of 10. The chrome work, the headlight rims, the grille fit. I don't think I've seen straighter gaps on a bonnet than this car. So you could see there just crisp panel shut lines, just a beauty. I'm in love with this thing. So yeah, real nice windshield rubber, really nice windshield glass. I don't see the Tr6 logo, so it's a replacement glass. But this car's had new paint in its original color. You can see the lenses and all the bright work of the original car. Just everything was carefully removed and refitted. Even the chrome on the door handles here, just really lovely thing. Just, all nice new rubber, weather stripping put back on. Oh, it may be the original. I just saw the logo here, so that could be the original windshield. But beautiful condition all the way around. Let's look at this car's interior. So recently this car had a brand new interior fitted, and you can see door panels are great. Dash is just excellent, just really lovely. Yeah, super well preserved original dash. Only flaw is just on this switch plinth there, where you push your thumb to pull the choke cable. Factory overdrive. This is an overdrive car that left the factory that way. You can see the VIN plate right there. Born date is February 75, and you've got that O suffix on the VIN. So 4-speed factory overdrive, nicely upholstered seats, original chestnut brown top boot, original seat belts, but like I said, completely renewed interior. That is just gorgeous all the way around, nicely finished. Let's take a look at the car's trunk here. So in here you can see original equipment here for the trunk. We're getting a new mat arriving for the trunk mat there. Let's take a look at this car's engine compartment. Oh, let me go around the other side. It's a bit heavy to lift on the left side. Yeah, so in here we see a beautifully preserved engine compartment. Great running engine and driving car. I've driven this car around the block, and everything seems to perform properly. We are going to give it a little service, which we haven't done yet, but we are going to just check out the car, brakes, fluids, make sure everything's up to snuff. But really good, well-preserved original engine compartment. This car's fitted with a brand new black soft top as part of its restoration that it had recently. And there you have it. Really lovely, super well preserved 1975 Triumph Tr6 Convertible. It's finished in its original color of Mimosa yellow, chestnut brown trim with matching top boot, which is the original black soft top, 4-speed with factory overdrive, disc wheels, 73,000 original California miles. Super, super well preserved TR6 here. And yeah, have a look around, and I don't think you're going to see one that's been taken care of as well as this one we have here. www.kurttannermotorcars.com.